I've done many reviews in the past on DMG MORI machines, 5-axis machines, turn-in centres. Today it's very different. I'm with Jan here from DMG MORI at AMB 2018. We're going to be talking about additive manufacturing and an entire process that's on show here. If you're a tooling manufacturer, you must stay and watch this. So firstly, tell us about the machines that are on display here.
Yeah, we've got the Lasertec 30 SLM, second generation machine, brand new machine from DMG MORI. The second one would be the Ultrasonic 20 we need for the milling of the part, and the third one is the Lasertec 20 precision tool.
Okay, we're going to go through the whole process shortly and look at the application. Just firstly, this is the second generation Lasertec machine. In the UK, we've seen it the first generation machine. What's different with this second generation? How much better is it?
We increased the part quality definitely because we optimized the shield gas volumetric flow, and also the filter system, filter lifetime increased significantly. And now we have CELOS, definitely a big advantage.
Having that control on there now means, certainly when we talk about what we're talking about today with the three machines, everything it harmonises, doesn't it? Everything can synchronise with the same control. Okay, right, let's talk about the part. This is the fascinating part here. Show us what we've got and what we're actually doing. Talk us through the process.
Yeah, we see here it's a PCD milling head.
And what's the material that you're printing?
It's a stainless steel, 1.4404. And you see there is internal cooling channels. So we got a very, very nice cooling in the process. And also you see that there is a lightweight structure integrated. So we got 30% less weight.
So process number one then, on the Lasertec, you're doing the printing, is that correct? So you're printing this area here?
Yeah, we are printing directly on an HSK. So
how long would that take to print on that machine? How long does it take?
Sorry?
How long does it take to do that printing process?
10 hours, approximately 10 hours for one head.
Okay, so that's then the printing, that's process one, machine number one. What then happens on machine number two?
On machine number two, we do the milling of the plate seats, where we later on we will have the PCDs up here, and here we will mill with the second machine.
Okay, so that's process number two then, so we've done the milling.
Exactly.
So what then happens?
Then the PCDs are brought in here, and then we can go over to process number three.
Okay, so the customer has to take the tool back and then they put the PCDs onto the tool, correct?
Yeah, all the customer got all the machines at his own site, then he can do it easily. But for here, yeah, we sent it to our customer. He brought the PCDs, and then afterwards we go to our precision tool machine for the last step in our process chain.
And just remind us, that last step is the last step number three?
Yeah, it's cutting of the PCD so that they get sharp.
So it's basically a fully integrated solution here, isn't it, for a
Exactly.
PCD tooling manufacturer? If you can lift your right hand up as well, Jan, that's then what we're talking about as a finished part.
Exactly.
This is obviously what's been printed, and this is in process. If you could just drop that one down again for a minute so we can focus on this. So the real advantages to what we're doing here, to me, certainly is this cooling channel here, isn't it? What does that give to the manufacturer? How much of a benefit is having that cooling channel?
Yeah, you see, this is the cooling channels. You can design it as he wishes it. That's very nice because he can increase the cooling capacity, and he gets his own process more stable then afterwards.
So it will give you better tool life as well, wouldn't it, ongoing?
Yeah, definitely.
Then the second part of this is then the weight of this. So I'm assuming here, because you've obviously it's not a full body of material,
Yeah.
It's much lighter. Is that advantageous as well?
Yeah, it's a reduced moment of inertia, and it's also good for the spindle lifetime.
And is the finished part as strong though, even though it's got less weight to it?
It is. There is no disadvantages because of the lightweight structure. It's as strong as a normal part.
And basically, you can't do this without additive manufacturing. You can't machine one like this and get those advantages. That's the key message here from DMG MORI. Technology, additive manufacturing, a whole process. Don't forget, DMG MORI have an open house in October, at the end of October, from October the 23rd. They will be able to discuss and talk to you about this type of thing at the show. Plenty of machines there. That's it from us. Thank you very much, Jan. It's been a fascinating experience here at DMG MORI. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.